Today we'll see some more problems in the circle chapter. Now problem. If x square plus y square plus ax plus by minus 12 is equal to 0 has a center at 2, 3. Find a, b and radius. Okay. Now listen here. He is given centers are given center is 2, 3. Now compare 2g is equal to what? A. 2f is equal to what? B. X coefficients are a and 2g. Y coefficient is 2f. So 2g is equal to a, 2f is equal to b. So what is the g value? A by 2. What is the f value? B by 2. So what is the center? Minus g comma minus f. Formulas. Okay. What is the value? Minus a by 2 comma minus b by 2. But what is the center he has given? 2, 3. So what we have done? Center given, and for the circle 2g is equal to a, 2f is equal to b. X coefficients are y coefficient. X coefficient is called, y coefficient is called, sir. 2g is equal to a, 2f is equal to b. So g is equal to a by 2, f is equal to b by 2. Center is minus g comma minus f. So minus a by 2 comma minus b by 2. So minus a by 2 is equal to 2, minus b by 2 is equal to 3. So a is equal to minus 4, cross multiplication. B is equal to minus 6. So you got a value, b value. Now what is the radius? Root of g square plus f square minus c. What is the c value he has given? Minus 2. Already center he has given, that is g value, f value. Put the values. So 4 plus 9 plus 12. How much it will be? 5. Important thing is a value, b value we have to find out. So 2g is equal to a, 2f is equal to b, and a value, fg value a by 2, f value b by 2. Then comparison, minus g comma minus f, minus a by 2 comma minus b by 2. So 2, 3. A is equal to minus 4, b is equal to minus 6. Okay. Now one more problem. If the circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus a is equal to 0 has a radius 4, then find a value. Okay, so solution. 2g is equal to what, sir? Minus 4. 2f is equal to 6. C value a. So comparison, x coefficients are y coefficient. So what is the g value? Minus 2. F value 3. Okay, now radius is what? G square plus f square minus c. So given root of g square means 4 plus 9. And what is the c value? A. So minus a is equal to 4. This is given. Square both the sides. So this becomes 13 minus a is equal to 16. Therefore 13 minus 16 is equal to a. So a is equal to minus 3. So radius is given. Then we are finding a value. Here there is no need of finding g and f value, sir. We know already g value, f value. So we know for this problem we are finding a and b, and we are finding radius. Here we are finding a value. Okay. Please note down this. Next problem. Find the values of a comma b if ax square plus bxy plus 3y square minus 5x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0 is circle, and also find center and radius. Okay, now solution. What is the condition for circle? Coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square. What is the condition? Coefficient of x square should be equivalent to coefficient of y square. So what is the coefficient of x square? A. What is the coefficient of y square? 3. A value we got. Next, coefficient of xy should be 0. That is the condition for circle. So coefficient of xy should be equal to 0. So what is the coefficient of xy? B. B is equal to 0. We got A value, B value. First part is over. Second part we have to find center and radius. Now we rewrite. A has to be replaced by 3. B is 0, so there is no need. Minus 5x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. Divide by 3 because 3x square is there. X square minus 5 by 3x plus 2 by 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. I am dividing by 3. So 5 by 3 will come. Now from here concept is 2j is equal to what? Minus 5 by 3. 2f is equal to 2 by 3. C is equal to minus 1. So what is the g value? Minus 5 by 6. F value 2 by 6, which is nothing but 1 by 3. What is the center? Minus g comma minus f. 5 by 6 comma minus 1 by 3. And what is the radius? Root of g square. G square means 25 by 36. F square 1 by 9. C is minus 1, so it becomes plus 1. What is LCM? 36. 25 plus 4 plus 36. LCM is 36. 25 will come 4 times, 36 will come. So 65. That is root 65 by 6. Okay, A value 3 because coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square. Coefficient of xy is equal to 0, that is B. Then 3x square plus 3y square minus 5x plus 2y minus 3. So divide by 3. By 3. Then you get x square plus y square minus 5x plus 2 by 3 minus 1. Then 2g, 2f, c. So g value we got. Divide by 2, f value 2 by 6 will come because 2 into 3 6, 1 by 3, center and radius. Okay, please note down. Next, if x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus c is equal to 0 is a circle with radius 6. Find value of C. Again, what is the 2g? Minus 4. 2f is 6. C is C. What is g value? Minus 2. What is f value? 3. Right? What is the radius? Formula. Root of g square plus f square minus c. So 4 plus 9. C value minus C is equal to how much he has given? 6. He has given radius as 6. Therefore, 13 minus C under root is equal to 6. Square both the sides. 13 minus 6 is 36. So, C is equal to 13 minus 36 minus 23. So, again similar method. Okay. So, based on center, radius and the circle parameters we have done. Okay, next formula. Parametric equation. Alright, parametric equation. Okay, if x is equal to h plus r cos theta and y is equal to k plus r sin theta, means on a circle these are the points. How to get the points? If you want to know the points on the circle, use this formula where h comma k is the center of the circle, r is the radius. Once you know center and radius, you will change the theta values, you get the points. So what is the formula? X is equal to h plus r cos theta, y is equal to k plus r sin theta, where h and k is the center, r is the radius. Okay, please note down this. Okay, next, based on this formula, let us do some problems. Obtain parametric equations of circles first bit x square plus y square is equal to 4. Here first we have to write x square plus y square minus 4 is equal to 0. So what is the 2g value? 0. What is the 2f value? 0. So g value 0 and c value minus 4, f value 0. What is the center? Minus g comma minus f, which is nothing but 0 comma 0. What is the radius? Root of g square plus f square minus c. So 0 plus 0, c is minus of minus plus 4. So how much we get? 2. Therefore, parametric is x is equal to h plus r cos theta. This is h comma k. So 0 plus r value, how much you got? 2 cos theta. Y is equal to what, sir? K plus r sin theta. 0 plus 2 sin theta, which is nothing but here 2 cos theta, here 2 sin theta. Right? So here there is nothing here. G value, f value you have to find out, and radius we have to find out. Okay. Second bit, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. Again 2g is equal to minus 4. X coefficient, 2g means always x coefficient. Eppudu x coefficient it is called, sir. 2f means y coefficient. We have to take always y coefficient. And c is equal to minus 12. So what is the g value? Minus 2. F value minus 3. Okay, center minus g comma minus f, 2 comma 3. What is the radius? Root of g square plus f square minus c. So this becomes 4 plus 9, c is minus 12, so minus of minus plus. This will give you 5 because 4 plus 9, 13, 13 plus 12, 25. So square root of 25 and the 5. Now parametric. So x is equal to h plus r cos theta. Here h comma k. H is what, sir? 2 plus r value 5. 5 cos theta. Y is equal to k plus r sin theta. 3 plus 5 sin theta. Right? Next. Third one. Two x square plus 2y square is equal to 7. Next one is what? 2x square plus 2y square is equal to 7. First thing is divide chal. We have to divide. Divide by 2. First. So what will happen? X square plus y square is equal to 7 by 2. Bring 7 by 2 this side. 0. Again 2g is equal to 0. 2f is equal to 0. Why, sir? There is no x value, there is no y value. Only x square, y square only, sir. Only x square, y square is there. So we are taking 2g is equal to 0, 2f is equal to 0. And what is the c value? Minus 7 by 2. G value 0, f value 0. What is the center? Minus g comma minus f, which is 0 comma 0, which is nothing but h comma k. What is the radius? Root of g square plus f square minus c. 0 plus 0 plus 7 by 2. So r is equal to root of 7 by 2. We got values now. Parametric. What is the parametric? X is equal to h plus r cos theta. Y is equal to k plus r sin theta. What is h value? 0. R value root of 7 by 2 cos theta. And this is 0 plus root of 7 by 2 sin theta. This problem and this problem one and the same, but we are dividing by 2. Okay, what we are doing? Dividing by 2. Right? Please note down these three. Right. What is the fourth bit? Look at this problem. 4 into x square plus y square is equal to 9. Okay, again 4x square plus 4y square minus 9 is equal to 0. Divide by 4. So this becomes x square plus y square minus 9 by 4 is equal to 0. Again 2g is equal to 0, 2f is equal to 0, c is equal to minus 9 by 4. Right? G value 0, f value 0. What is the center? Minus g comma minus f. Same procedure, sir. 0 comma 0. What is the radius? Root of g square plus f square minus c. So 0 plus 9 by 4, which is nothing but root 9 by 4, 3 by 2. Simple method, sir. Okay. Now what is the parametric? Parametric equation. X is equal to h plus r cos theta, y is equal to k plus r sin theta. H value 0, r value 3 by 2 cos theta, 0 plus 3 by 2 sin theta. Right? One more bit. X minus 3 whole square, y minus 4 whole square is equal to 8 square. Many times he has given for 2 marks at this problem. Many times. Okay, look at here. Just simply I will write like this. Compare with our basic formula x minus h whole square, y minus k whole square is equal to r square. This is a formula of circle. What is a circle? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. This is a formula which we know. Basic formula. First formula is next sir. Circle equation x minus h whole square plus y minus. If you compare, what is the h value we get? 3. Because here minus h is there, minus 3 is there. Minus k is there, minus 4 is there. K is equal to 4. And what is the r value? 8. Directly we get h and k values, sir. No need of expanding. And this problem chala sir 2 marks ichcharu, sir. So x is equal to h plus r cos theta. So 3 plus r is how much we got? 8. 8 cos theta. Y is equal to k plus r sin theta. So 4 plus 8 sin theta. Simple problem. 2 marks kistar, sir. Chala sal ichcharu. Many times he has given for 2 marks. So here comparison. Parametric equation can be given for 2 marks. Okay. Please note down this. Now, whatever we have discussed till now, it is exercise, first exercise, sir. It is 1A exercise lo 2 marks questions are complete chesam, sir. 2 marks most of the questions I have covered. Means equation of the circle, center with the point, center in the point, and how to find the center and radius of the circle, and how to find A value, B value, G value, F value, C value, parametric equation, end points of the diameter. These are 2 marks questions. Many times 2 marks from this exercise, one problem will be given for 2 marks. Now we will start 4 marks and 7 marks in this exercise. Okay, how the 4 marks will be there? Look at the problem. Find the equation of circle passing from 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4. What is the problem? 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, Listen here carefully. The solution is very, very important. From here onwards, you have to be very, very perfect in calculations. Let there are 3-4 methods are there for solving this equation, sir. In general method is always I will consider this method. There are 3 methods for this. Let us not understand other 2 methods. This method is very, very important. Every time we will be using for every time. Okay. Now this is the first point is what, sir? 3, 4 on it. What I am doing? 3, 4. So x has to be replaced by 3. 3 square plus 4 square plus 2g into 3 plus 2f into 4 plus c. So what I have done, I have substituted x value 3, y value 4, and x value 3, y value 4 this answer. So 9 plus 16 plus 6g plus 8f plus c is equal to 0. So rewrite this, 6g plus 8f plus c plus 25 is equal to 0. First equation. Always I write in this model, I am writing equal to 0. I am not bringing 25 this side. Okay. What is the second point? 3, 2 on it. Again, 3 square plus 2 square plus 2g into 3 plus 2f into 2 plus c is equal to 0. Again, 9 plus 4 plus 6g plus 4f plus c is equal to 0. Again, 6g plus 4f plus c plus 13 is equal to 0. Second equation. Right? What is the third point? 1, 4 on it. So what will happen? 1 square plus 4 square plus 2g into 1 plus 2f into 4 plus c is equal to 0. So 1 plus 16 plus 2g plus 8f plus c is equal to 0. So 2g plus 8f plus c plus 17 is equal to 0. Third equation. Now you got first equation, second equation, third equation. Now consider 1 and 2 equation. What is the first equation? 6g plus 8f plus c plus 25 is equal to 0. Second equation, 6g plus 4f plus c plus 13 is equal to 0. Subtract minus, 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 minus. C will get cancelled, G will get cancelled. So what does it get? 8f minus 4f. Now you have to consider this minus sign only. G will get cancelled. Say 8f minus 4f, 4f. 25 plus minus 12, minus 13 plus 12 is equal to 0. 4f is equal to minus 12, f is equal to minus 3. Okay, I have considered first and second. Again, consider 1 and 3. First and third equation. What is the first equation? 6g plus 8f plus c plus 25 is equal to 0. 2g plus 8f plus c plus 17 is equal to 0. Subtract. C will get cancelled, 8f will get cancelled. So what do we get? 4g plus 8 is equal to 0. Again, 4g is equal to minus 8, g is equal to minus 2. So we got f value, g value. Okay. So what I have done? I have taken first and second, 1 and 3. Somebody will have to ask, sir, can I take second and third? Yes, sir, we can take. But if you consider 1 and 2, always I follow 1 and 2, 1 and 3. Okay, all the problems. Okay. Now we got g value. Put in first equation. Put in the first equation. What is the first equation? This equation, 6g plus 8f. So we know g value, 6 into minus 2, 8 into f value, how much we got? Minus 3 plus c plus 25 is equal to 0. So minus 12 minus 24 plus c plus 25 is equal to 0. Minus 36 plus c plus 25 is equal to 0. C minus 11 is equal to 0. C value 11. Why I said these problems are now? C value got 11. Therefore, circle equation. What is circle equation? I told you x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2f5 plus c. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2f5 plus c. Now substitute cheyali sir anni values. Not x and y values, only g value, f value. G value how much we got? Minus 2, so minus 4x. F value minus 3, so minus 6y plus 11 is equal to 0. So what is that? We have to do g value, f value replace also. G value how much we got? Minus 2. So 2 into minus 2, minus 4x minus 6y. So here 3 points will be given. This model is very important. I will be doing so many problems on this I will give you 1-2 problems for practice also. So appudu practice cheyandi sir. Okay, so first point, second point, third point, 3 equations vastayi sir. 1 and 2 solve, 1 and 3 solve, then whatever g value, f value, put it in the first equation. Is it clear? So this model is very, very, very important sir. Okay, please note down.